celebrate.
We did it. We made 50,000 subscribers. 50,000 ETT subscribers. Actually, it's over. It's 51,000 right now. But we have to do our milestone 50 since we did our 5 and 10. But we're gonna celebrate. We're gonna take you to our room at Boardwalk, and we're gonna show you around Epcot. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom. We're doing a big 50 celebration for ETT Squad.
It's kind of cool because not only is it Disney's 50th, it's also your 50th.
I know. It's so cool.
50,000 subscribers. How amazing!
I know,
is
it's
that?
amazing. Confetti.
Woo! Confetti!
Love to put the confetti here. But look who we're with, Figment.
See, and the 50 is for their 50th subscribers.
We're Tongue Twister ETT Squad. Oh, look, the monorail. There goes the monorail. Not the 50th. We have to find the 50th. And there's beautiful Figment. He's our favorite. He's the mascot of Epcot. All right, let's go around. Hi, ETT Squad. I'm starting with the best part of the room. Our balcony, the room with the view. Lovey has his own balcony. I have my own balcony. Look at the view, how pretty. It's so gorgeous out here. ETT Squad, you want to see our room now? Let's take you in now. Let's go. Hi, ETT Squad. Look, Lovey's getting in the video. Lovey's in the video. Whoa. He's only been in the video a couple times in other room tours, but look, we're in our suite, Lovey. Sweet. We're in our suite. Yeah, there's the kitchen. We got the dining room. The camera's in the family room. We have to show them the family room area. It's pretty big, right? Let's grab the camera, Lovey. Grab the camera. Let's show them around. We got our sofa. You can open it up and people can sleep here. I'm having a party with all of ETT Squad. Let's go, Brandon, ETT Squad. Look, we got our flat screen. It's a small kitchen compared to the new rooms, right? The new rooms in the other Disney resorts. Mm-hmm. This is like one of their oldest ones, the Boardwalk Resort. You got a huge bathroom. Look how big this bathroom is. It's huge. Your shower, then you walk over here, walk to the other side. Huge walk-in closet. Just put all your clothes when you're on vacation, on vacay. And then I can take a bath. I need to take a bubble bath. What do you think, Lovey?
Do it.
I gotta do it. Let's go, Brandon. Bubble bath, ETT Squad. Look, and then we got our master bedroom. Grogu's already taking a nap. He's always taking a nap. Look, and after a bathtub, I can just go this way. But it's another flat screen. This is nice. It's cozy in here. I like the frames. Look, Lovey. The boardwalk, arcade. It's like a fair. It's pretty, right? Like you're in the boardwalk in New Jersey, right, Lovey? Mm-hmm. And then show them another balcony. Let's go over here. And this is the best part, ETT Squad. This is the best view. I love it. Look at this view of the boardwalk. You can see Spaceship Earth. They're playing basketball over here. And then across the lake, you have the yacht club. You have the beach club and the yacht club. And there's a dance hall. You from the dance hall already, Shana? Atlantic Dance. You know what's missing? All the magic shows that they used to have here. That's what's missing. Oh, that's cool the way they're turning.
Hi, Gordo!
Hi, right, Gordo. Shout out to Gordo, our sweetest Gordo. We love you. He's been with us since day
Since
one.
the beginning.
#1 fan of ETT Squad. We love you, Gordo.
Love you, Gordo. Hope to see
Bye-bye.
you soon.
We're going to go look for all the golden statues here at Epcot, and we're going to celebrate Christmas. So let's go, because we don't know where they're at. We saw Figment. We showed you Figment. We're going to find the other ones.
So far, we've only found Figment. So one statue, 49 to go.
We're going to show you the 3 golden statues. Let's go.
We found 3 of them.
We found 3. Look at the Christmas tree. Show them the Christmas tree.
It
Loving from
took us
distance.
long enough. It's dark now.
It's dark. We found Coco. And what's
And
called?
Dante.
Dante.
Miguel and Dante.
Oh, it looks so pretty at nighttime, right? It actually looks
It
nice.
looks beautiful at night.
Wow.
For the safety and health of everyone.
See this? We're still, my Let's Go Brandon ETT Squad members. We're waiting for this to go away.
Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing.
We're reminded of it every 5 minutes.
Yeah, they remind us every 5 minutes. We don't have to wear a mask outside. All right, let's go show Rocket.
Oh,
this
Rocket and Groot.
This looks so pretty. Groot. They look so cute, right?
So cute.
So cute. Look at Groot and Rocket. That's cute, that statue. The golden statue, the 50.
Okay, this is one of my favorites.
This
Look at
one's-
his little eyebrows.
He's so
Look at little
little.
Groot waving.
I know his little hand. He's so cute.
Hi, baby Groot.
Hi, baby Groot. Look, luckily they didn't put the big Groot, right? I like the little Groot.
I like baby Groot. I think this is the most realistic statue, though.
That is cute.
Because you can see all the different, like, hairs.
Oh, that looks so cute. In
Oh, we
summer.
love him. And that's
In
Bruni
summer.
right there.
How does he sing in summer?
He's not gonna melt tonight. It's pretty chilly out.
Olaf. Olaf is so happy. See, this is the way you're supposed to be. Happy
And joyful.
and joyful.
Look at
No
that
man.
Bruni.
Olaf is not even wearing a masky mask. No mask on Olaf.
What is he yelling? It looks like he's yelling something.
He's saying in
Merry Christmas!
or in summer.
No, he's saying
Oh, he's singing.
50,000 subscribers!
No, he's singing.
50,000.
Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. You forgot. Let's go, Brandon.
Woo!
Let's go, Brandon!
Huma
Hey, hey.
Huma and Hey Hey!
Yeah, there they are. He looks cute. He has a cute little smile.
I love Hey Hey the chicken. It's like me in my life. He's all like, ah! And just
He just
screams all the
eats.
time.
I know, he just goes like that.
eats
He just
and
pecks.
screams.
He just pecks.
I relate to him.
We love them. They're part of the ETT squad.
And we found 2 figures in one statue.
Yeah, we found 2.
I love it.
2 and the Rocket and Groot too.
Those are 2. We're
So I
knocking
guess
them
that's
out.
counted as
Yes.
golden statue. That's what it is.
This year, Walt Disney World celebrates 50 years of magic here in Florida.
coolest grandparents ever, right?
Hi,
TT
ETT.
Squad, this is our ending of our vlog.
We had such a great day.
We
didn't
had an
you
awesome
guys?
one. We found all the golden statues.
We did. It was a little bit tricky finding all of them. But
It
we had so much
was.
fun.
But we want to say that we appreciate you guys. We love ETT Squad. If it wasn't for you, we would have never got to 50,000 subscribers.
All you 50,000, we're sending love to all of you.
We love you guys, and we want to bring laughter and joy
And happiness.
and happiness. And let's go, Brandon.
Woo! Bye.
Bye,
Love you,
guys. We
ETT.
love you. Bye. Merry Christmas.